Hello students, in the previous video I had discussed about the syllabus of MA Final English paper 8th B Women's Writing. Now in this video I am going to discuss the examination pattern and the evaluation scheme of this paper, which is as following. There shall be a terminal examination of 100 marks at the end of the session. The examination paper will consist of 3 sections. In section A, there will be 10 questions that would be all compulsory to be answered, and the word limit is 50 words each question. These 10 questions will be of 2 marks each. It means in section A, 10 questions of 2 marks, total 20 marks will be covered, and the examiner will set questions on this section by choosing at least 2 questions from each unit out of the 5 units. In section B, there would be 2 parts. In part 1, there 3 reference to context questions from starred texts will be asked, out of which the students are to answer to any 2 reference to the context questions. The reference to the context questions are to be answered in 200 words each. Each question shall carry 8 marks. So the 2 reference to the context questions means of 16 marks. Till now the paper setter will cover 36 marks all. In section B part 2, 4 questions will be asked, out of which the students are to attempt any 3 to be answered in 200 words each. Each question will carry 8 marks. 3 questions of 8 marks means 24 marks. Till now, the paper setter will cover 60 marks. In section B, part 2, the examiner will set questions in such a way that will cover almost all the syllabus. In section C, 4 questions will be asked that are to be answered in 500 words each, will be asked, out of which the student is to attempt any 2 questions. Each question shall carry 20 marks. 20 marks and 2 questions means the 40 marks. The examiner will cover 40 marks in this section. So the section A will be of 20 marks, the section B will be of 40 marks, and section C will also be of 40 marks. So the complete paper is of 100 marks. I am again repeating the examination pattern and the evaluation scheme. There would be 3 sections: section A, section B, and section C. In section A, 10 questions would be asked, and all these 10 questions are to be solved by the students. Each question will carry 2 marks, and the word limit is 50 words. In section B, part 1, 3 reference to the context questions will be asked, out of which 2 reference to the context questions are to be solved, and this reference to the context question will carry 8 marks each, and the word limit is 200 words. Now there is section B part 2. 4 questions will be asked, out of which 3 questions are to be solved. Each question will carry 8 marks, and the word limit is 200 words. In section C, there would be 4 questions and students are to solve 2 questions out of 4 questions, and each question will carry 20 marks and the word limit is 500 words. In section A, uh, 2 questions from each unit will be asked. In section B, part 1, 3 explanations from the starred texts. In section B, part 2, 4 questions from all the syllabus. And in section C, 4 questions will be covered from all the syllabus. So this is the uh, examination pattern and the evaluation scheme of the paper MA Final English 8th B Women's Writing. Thank you.